Hi and welcome back to the Vintage Necky sewing machines. Today we will talk about the upper tension on the Vintage Necky sewing machines. Let me show you the correct mounting position of upper tension. Tighten the screw carefully. Inside the machine there's a level. Okay. Do you know what I mean? This gives the thread free if you finish your sewing and liften the feed dogs at maximum high. Okay, if it looks like this, it's correct. Okay, let's remove the tension assembly from the machine. Open the screw. Pull, and that's it. Your tension. I will dismantle this tension now and show you what to do. Correct operating tension can have settings from 9 downwards to 0 and totally easy to move. You can pull, yeah, and if you pull more, you can do to the left and remove the axle there. Okay, just a moment please. Look at the parts that come out. At first this is this one. And this. This. Okay. Here you can't do anything. There is the adjusting plate for the treat spring, I think. Yeah, treat spring. Sorry. Okay. If you saw very heavy materials, you have to adjust it in this way that the spring is more tensioned. Yeah, okay. Most problem of this tension is inside there, to find the little screws. Often there are opened. Okay, watch out that these little screws in there are tightened. this one, and this one. Okay, if the wheel turned and the axle stands still, there's no problem. Tighten the screws at any position. There's no problem at this point. I will do it together. Okay. By the mounting process, is it important that you can see the zero. Must be on 0. Okay, and another important thing is this one here goes into this part, and watch the position is like that. Okay, another this disc here. I don't clean up these parts yet, but it's only demonstration. But you have to clean it up and remove the old oil and something else. Okay, this goes back and look here. This is important. Okay, and the last part is this one. Okay. So now the other part here. Okay, and this is important. Turn it left until it makes a click, or you feel that the screw is okay. I have the position, and now we turn it right into the right direction. And with little pushing, pulling, turning and pulling. Okay, and this one goes into at the top. I will try to show it. There's a little hole there. This goes in. Okay, at the last step you have to pull and turn it right into right direction until, yes, you can see it, until this one is going in the hole in the outer part. At the whole process it must be on 0. Now it's fine. Okay, if the middle axle in not correct in fail position, then you can turn maybe to 6 and it stop. This is not good. If it's so, remove this ring, loosen the little screws, and adjust your axle in the center of the tension assembly. Then you will find the setting that you can easily go from 0 up to 9. If you have done, the upper tension is correct, adjusted, and in proper working condition. We bring it back to the machine. It's also easy job. So watch out that your feed dog is dropped down, because this level inside will drive your tension. I hope this is correct speaking. Okay, put it down. Well, maybe like this. Look at this position. That's wrong. That's also not okay. Of course, it is like this. Maybe a little bit more. So, yeah. And the inside. Oh, I think this is a little bit too much. Okay. And this is the screw for the for the tension. So minimal tightening. Okay. Okay, works perfect. Correct adjusted. Wow. So maximum. See it? But it works. Okay, this is about the upper tension. I hope this helps so many people. That's it for the first time from the vintage Necky sewing machines. Hope you enjoy watching, and bye bye.